Yeah, the connection's going a little crazy. Seems like it's stabilized a little bit. Okay. So let's think about the simplest way to do this. So for terrain, right now, I'm just going to have it be... I'm just going to have it be its own little node. So this is the easiest way to do that. For spell selection, I'll have a global spell book that they just reference, and for turns, I will... that's a good question. Let's see. I need to make a turn manager. Oh. Yeah, I need to make some kind of turn manager. That can't be handled internally to the objects. Yeah, the turn manager needs something easy for that. Yeah, for now, I will implement like a timeline and stuff later so you can have more specific actions that you can take, but for now it's just going to be an instant. Probably just like one action. It always confuses me because Excalibur has it so that scrolling up and down moves the screen, but Godot has it to zoom in and out, and then they both have control as the switch, so it's opposite. And I don't think there's a way I can change that. Yeah. Okay. Start building out here. I think I kind of want this to be the center. Change the transform. All right, that'll be fine. Add some static bodies. Oh, excuse me. I'm just gonna do very basic little thing here. Let's grab a little palette. Honestly, this one seems fine to me. Here. How does this look? Yeah, sure. Oh, that's all we need for the terrain for now. We'll make 2 entities as well. Whoa. Is there kind of issue? Yeah, what the fuck? Why are you... What the heck is going on? Why are you yelling at me about something that's deleted? Let's restart the engine. Sometimes that just fixes things. Loading, loading, loading. Okay, now put this back. Godot. It is indeed Godot. Have you ever seen Godot? This is kind of my my engine of choice. I've been working in it for a little bit. Figured it was better than a lot of others because open source only improves. As long as it's supported, I guess. Chappy, is that your name? Chappy or Chap High? You've been dipping your toes into it. It's constantly changing because it's constantly being updated, so it is one of those things that's good to test out and see how it is. Let's go back to this. Used to Unity, yeah. That's how it is with tools. That's kind of why I, when I initially chose Godot, I took my time and I specifically went for something that I was going to be able to use for a long period of time. Because it's really, really frustrating to get used to a tool and then you can't use it anymore. You have to switch and learn everything all over again. It's not the end of the world, it's just, ick. Trying to figure out where this error is coming from. I downloaded a thing to test something out, and now it's yelling at me even though I got rid of it. Asset place a conversation. Decided to start small. Made an ambitious project that's open world, open source, and intended to be community developed. Oh, that doesn't sound small. I think you need to look that word up. Send me a link to what you're doing. I'm interested. Your whole name is Does Stuff. Tell me what stuff. Joystick, virtual joystick. Rekindle beta Minecraft. I get that. It's just hard. Yeah, the community involvement. It's one of those things where it's like, everyone's trying to recapture the old Pokemon playground rumors vibe stuff, and it's kind of hard to do. A lot of those things kind of took off via wildfire, and now basically make Minecraft but SRB2. What is SRB2? I don't know of this. I think there's a lot of stuff you can do if you make something open source and you get a good community behind it. Sonic Robo Blast. Now I gotta look this up. Open source 3D Sonic engine? Jeez. 3D open source Sonic engine fan game using modified Doom. Of course it's Doom. Wasn't really a mod of Doom, yeah. Oh, that looks cool. Looks fun. Here's the thing about this stuff, is that as much as I think these sorts of efforts are really cool, and that they're supporting open source and stuff, it's like just the fact that they're using another intellectual property it makes it so that it's never going to get that popular. And that's one of the big issues with trying to make something big, is there's now, like, back in the days of beta Minecraft and Pokemon and stuff, there wasn't people looking at this industry as a source of exploitation, and now there is. There's just always going to be people trying to find a way to piggyback off something and steal it and do whatever. There's a lot of people who've made open source projects who are starting to feel the burn on that. But I really do. I really like open source. I really want to do open source stuff and try to get that sort of community-driven development. Minecraft Arc, Pal World, community involvement, and beta Minecraft. Yeah, those are some lofty goals. You know, good luck to you. But yeah, if you have a link to anything, send it to me. I'd like to see what you're up at, what you're doing. There's some really cool stuff that people can do when they have a ton of support. The Great Plains. I can't copy it from there. I always do that. It makes me look like a fool. Community run game where you can change things to it. Okay, so this is pretty recent. How long have you been working on this? Got a Discord, a C# community run game. Terrain and player scuffed. Yeah. You already got a couple contributors, that's good. Why do you have TCL in here? What is TCL? I mean, I know what the language is, but like, what are you using TCL for? They aren't devs? Oh. Even still, the feedback's good. I don't know if this is like some weird reading because it doesn't understand Godot, or if it just thinks it's TCL code, but that's really funny. Let me see what you have on your Discord. Alright, yeah. I mean, it looks like you're pretty early on in this stuff, but it would be cool if you could do it. I just think you need, especially for community stuff, you need some way that people can join in quickly. You know, you need some sort of like, I mean, documentation. I hate it. I hate documentation, but it's very important for this kind of stuff. Mainly, I think the first thing that would be helpful is just having some sort of introduction to your idea. Like, just write out your stuff here. Get people interested, get people excited, you know? Like, as much as you can have a really cool thing, if it's uncommunicatable to other people, if they don't understand why it's cool or why it's important, it's going to be very hard to get contributors. And you don't want to code it all yourself. At least I hope you don't. I am also trying to make sort of original IP open source games, see how they do, but I'm starting much smaller. That's kind of what I'm working on. It's just like a simple arcade game and trying to make it extensible enough for people to take and run with. This is gonna bug me, but I'm not gonna deal with it right now. They changed the name of it, that's right. Make a nice little circle. We'll do this. Nope, that's not where I want to put that. Let's, because I'm neurotic, let's make this all proper and equal. There we go. Same thing, just make it on the right side. Cool. And I guess I will make these. No, that's fine, I can leave it. For now, I'm not going to implement teams. I'm just going to have it run through all of the player entities, which I should definitely put in its own little section. Players. Do that. I'm just going to make it run through those. That should be the easiest to get a prototype up. I do need a spellbook. Yeah, for now I'll just put it in its own thing, and then I will make methods for... Well, no, I think I could just make it basically be a holder for basic spells. Let's just do a very simple this. Basic. And because I don't do anything when it comes to art. Seven, 10, 7, 10, 7, 7, 10. Aha. Cool. Let's grab color. This. And because it's cool, we'll add a particle emitter. Do like 100 particle. Drawing should be not on local. Don't worry about collision. Do something quick. Okay, so I think that's... Yeah, direction and spread is what I need. And I need initial velocity. We'll put this at like 100. Okay, never mind. Oh, why are you stuttering like that? Ugh, whatever. I'll deal. Acceleration, we got gravity. Can I do like -10? kind of like that, like sitting in the air. Negative 100, negative 100. Let's take off gravity. Yeah, gravity was doing some stuff to it. I don't know what its deal was. And we'll make it change color over time, and that'll be it. Sorry for going AFK, I have to go now. We're working on it for a week. TCL, oh, there's a Python plugin. That makes sense. Yeah, cool. I hope to see more stuff from it. Go ahead and do your stuff. I always want to support open source stuff, but yeah, thanks for dropping in. And I already joined the Discord, so I'll keep an eye on it. Scale over velocity. It's stuttering again. Oh. Okay, I don't want this. Let's do this. Let's see if we can do this. So we're gonna have it start out at 0 and go to 1. Have a little bit of scale variance. It looks fun, so we'll do that. I think it's stuttering because I'm streaming and I only have I have a pretty poor GPU. Let's go ahead and grab colors again. We're gonna start here, and then we're gonna color ramp. And we're gonna use this as the other color, because I am not gonna learn color theory. Okay, and then we'll do the interpolation as cubic because that's better. That's kind of fun looking. I play around with this stuff way too much. I like messing with particles though. Spawn, velocity, spread is full, and we'll change this down to be a range. Okay. Basic spell, done. As far as the nodes are concerned. Let's make this into its own scene. Spell. Make it into its own scene. So what are the things we're going to need? we're gonna need friction for our gravity. Uh, 98. So, let's think about this. Travel type. Gonna need all arrow path, maybe area. Let's just put type for now. So for a ball, that's just sort of a regular physics enabled thing. So it'll be like a thing here, and then it just moves like normal. Arrow will be something that has a specific target. So it's trying to hit this. You can send it at an angle, and it will automatically try to target something. Path is you get to actually set. God, I don't remember how to do the arrow. Do you like continue to click it? Well, let's just do it this way. You get to do that. I've totally messed this up, but you know what I mean. So it follows a path specifically. And then area is pretty obvious. It's just an area of effect. Friction, arrow. We'll do travel type. I don't know a better name for it. I'm just gonna do that for now. Export bar speed. I'm gonna just set it equal to 10. There's a lot I could do here. I don't want to overcomplicate things. So for now, we'll leave it at that. And we won't actually make it affect anything yet. Let's see, what else do I need? Let's just make a player scene. There we go. So another thing I'm going to need here is UI. For now, we're just going to do a bottom bar. Well, okay, so I think this one has to be full rect. No, I don't remember. Margin container, panel container, HBox container. Wow, okay, this is really not functioning how I want it to. Let's just do this. Texture rect. And we're gonna make a noise texture, and that noise texture is going to be 1920. Oops, too big. 1920 divided by 2. And this is going to be like 200. Do 100. Now how do I get all of you down there? Why don't you move? Okay. Sure, that works. Give it like a 5. Oh, that didn't do what I wanted it to. Okay, well, no, this works for the panel, so that's fine. Let's do just a very simple blah blah. Panel. Then we will do a V-box with a label and a button. I don't know what that is. Plug-in button? Do texture button. We'll put them in the same thing. No, put them in the same thing. That, and then this we will just do is a very... maybe not that. Quick load, icon dot. There we go. That is too big because it's 128 by 128. Can I just do a placeholder? No, because it sucks. There we go. Keep centered. Do that. And this is also going to be center and center. margin again. Okay, so now I can just make some buttons here. Focused, we will do... Let's do the same thing? No, that won't work. How do I look at that? Button press. Toggle mode. How do I want to see this. We'll do toggle mode. Okay. I need to come up with something better than this, but it's a start. You know, let's do it this way. It's just a bit easier. Pressed will be white. And we'll also make this, yeah, 64 by 64 is fine. Same thing with this. We will go texture 2D, and this one's going to be black. So now you can very clearly see if it's on or not. I'm going to go use the restroom real quick. Alright, I'm back. I brought a snack. Alright, I have nothing hooked up, but let's see what it looks like. Perfect. For this specific one, I'm going to go to... Where is it? Sleeping. Put it to sleep. I'm going to very slightly change this. So that it disappears a bit more cleanly. I don't think it worked. Let's set this back, and we will instead do scale. I can't tell if it's because it's stuttering or if they just actually like go like do a little blub right before they go. I don't know. I'm not gonna fiddle with it too much. I don't even know. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is here. Let's just... We'll just leave it at that. I'll test it more when I'm not streaming, so it's not as busted. make a simple player script. Export node path to the our spell book. Well, let's see. I might be able to do it a bit easier if I instead just directly give it whatever's the currently assigned spell, and then it can deal with it from there, rather than having a list here. I mean, this will still be useful, because I could just say, like, you know, grab this and assign it as the currently assigned spell, but... current spell. And just leave it null for now. Let's just go to... let's make a gravity. Man, I really need to hit that V key. 98.0. Or var, what's it called? Friction. We'll do 0.1, and that means we'll do velocity dot y plus equals gravity if not is on floor. Velocity friction, we're gonna do times equals 1.0 minus friction and then we're gonna do good old move and slide. Now let's see how this reacts. Oh, they're on the ground. That's good. Let's I need a control component. I feel like I've done this before. Let's see if I have an util. Component, kinematic movement 2D. Go ahead and add, go ahead and add a regular node 2D control component. And we are going to give it that. Do you use pathfinding? Nope, that's not what I meant. No, you don't. Get rid of that. I guess I should move. Well, no, we will just do the speed part. And all of this, get rid of. this is not what I want it to be. Kinematic pathfinding. Let's make a new one that is just a control component. Where is utility components? Store process, get parent. Our body is get parent, and it's going to be a character body 2D. And that thing is going to have a velocity that we add onto. Get user input, and we need a get user input, which returns a vector2, and that is going to be return vector2 input dot get axis and the same thing for up and down. I think. And this is going to be time speed, which I'm going to put up here. Sport var speed equals like, I don't know, 10 for now. Export bar side scroller is equal to true if side scroller, and then else is this. We're gonna do the same thing but with just the Y. Jump speed 200. Oh, sorry, this should be X. Body dot velocity dot Y is equal to get user input dot X or dot Y. Actually, we're going to do this. If there's so many things I wanted to put in here. Our fast fall is true. If is, or if body dot is on floor, then let's do this. We'll do max 0 get user input dot Y times speed. So if it's negative, it don't work. However, we can do the same thing in reverse here. And this will be times, we'll do speed, and then this will be jump speed. Because I am incapable of doing things easily. Fast fall speed, and we're going to set that to 20. Fast fall, speed. Okay, so all this being said, I should be able to jump and fast fall, which isn't true. Maybe I have this backwards. Try that. I don't think I got it backwards. Well, negative action, positive action. Down is negative. Oh. No, okay, yeah. So the velocity's gonna go up if... Yeah. I think this is it. Stuff can get confusing, man. My jump speed needs to be a lot higher. 10 times is probably too much, but I'm not gonna figure out until I do it. Alright, never mind. It is nothing. I'm dribbling like a basketball. That doesn't make any sense. How about this? Just change them all randomly until something works. Okay, yeah, that fully eliminates everything. Let's just quickly do a print on velocity.y and make sure it's not forever increasing. Okay, why are you only doing 200? It's not doing everything. Jump speed. Oh god, now it's working. Weird. Okay. I don't know why it wasn't working before. tone that down to like 500. I mean, that's a respectable hop. Just so I can see, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I don't think that's working, and I need you to also not do this. Okay, so -1. Oops, I didn't mean to fully cancel out of that. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Try it that way. And I will up this as well so that it actually... That's fun. Okay, bring this back down to earth. Okay, I can definitely come down a little faster. Not that I needed to do this, it's not like it's a platformer. Okay. Happy with this for now. Go to util, components. Do character 2D physics movement. Physics component. And we'll do the same things as up here. Hey, stop it. That's what I wanted to do. Side scroller is true. Your whole thing is to move. Body dot there. Body. And body. Should behave the same now. Yeah. Okay. I think I definitely want to go ahead and cut and paste. Oh, paste that there. All of them should be doing physics control.
Can't stop running away. Can't stop running away.
Let's scale them up a little faster from 0. Try that. Ugh, it is not happy with me, but that's okay. Alright, my brain isn't working, but I got this little test thing going. I'm gonna stop here for today, because I am drained in the brain.